Ocean breeze through the open door. Footprints fade along the shore. Neon lights start to come alive. The city hums but we feel the vibe. Every wave is a melody, whispering you belong with me. Golden sky, reflections fall. Your hand fits mine through it all. Every color, every sound feels like love. It's all around. In this coastal city, hearts collide under the skyline. You and I, every tide just pulls me in. Love begins when nights begin. Coastal city, lights so free. Feels like the world was made for you and me. Every sunset, every sea brings me back to where I'm meant to be. High-rise dreams in ocean blue. Every road just leads to you. Car lights glow along the pier. Your laughter's all I need to hear. Moments fade but not the view. The night belongs to me and you. And when the rain begins to fall, we'll chase the drops through it all. The skyline fades, the stars ignite. We're golden ghosts in city light. In this coastal city, hearts collide under the skyline. You and I, every tide just pulls me in. Love begins when nights begin. Coastal city, lights so free. This is where I'm meant to be. With you beside me endlessly. In this coastal city, you